Hello, today I will do another remake of one of the most popular videos. It will be the assembly of a 7-cylinder stern engine. So first I want to change the name of this product, and it's 7-cylinder stern motor. And now I want to have two sub-assemblies, so I will make the structure at first. So I go for product inside this product and another product inside this product. I will rename these products, go for the part number. This is the sub-assembly ploil, and the other one is go for the part number subassemblies Hauptpleuel, which means it's the main pleuel. Okay, then you insert the first part into the assembly, which should be the part to which all other parts are connected to. Go for existing component into this product, and it's this part. Okay, fix it in space, go for anchor and fix it. Take a look, there's a closed lock, which means it's fixed in space. Change the color, for example to blue. Okay, I want to reuse a pattern which is defined in the part. So to check if there is any pattern, go for reuse pattern and hover over the part. You will see 6 holes are marked, 1 not, which means it's a pattern, and the not marked hole is the original one. If you by accident hover above the original hole, all the holes and the part are marked. Make sure that in this pattern keep specifications is activated, otherwise it will not work. And it will not work if you have pattern more than one feature. So always feature one, pattern one, just one feature, and keep specifications. Okay. Now insert another existing component, which is the cylinder. Okay, if you want to use the Smart Move window, make sure this option is activated, automatic constraint creation, otherwise there will be no constraints, just the positioning, and coincidence should be on in the first place. And create verified constraints first, that's okay. Select this axis and, for example, this one. Confirm it by clicking with the left mouse button into empty space. Then I close this window. I want to change the color of this one. Okay. Let's align with an angle that plane and that surface, for example, make it parallel. Okay. Make an update, and then you could make a contact between this surface and that surface. Right here. I will go for an offset, because in many cases you will get problems with the surface contact if you make reuse pattern. So there is it, offset between that axis, click, and that surface, right, which should be 191.5, the radius of the central part. Now I hide these constraints. Okay, and I want to make good use of the pattern and reuse it. So go for reuse pattern, take the cylinder, mark the pattern, check keep link with the pattern, make it pattern's definition because these cylinders are fixed, they do not move at all. Make it reuse the original component and don't put them in a new flexible component, and okay. That looks nice. And then I want to hide them. Okay. And activate this product and open it in a new empty window. Insert the necessary components at once all together. That's the Kolben, Bolzen, the Kolben, and the Pleuel. Okay. Change the colors if you want. Select it in the tree like this, then move it a little bit apart. Throw the compass away over here. Then I want to see the axis systems. So I go to Edit, make a search, and one of my favorite searches is axis system. Pre-select and highlight them, show them. Then I want to align them. So this plane should be aligned to that one. And this plane should be aligned to this one as well. Just make an update. Then this axis should be aligned to that axis. Make an update. And this axis should be aligned to that axis. Please take note, I do not fix any part in the subassembly because it may cause problems afterwards. So use manipulate, turn around the axis. Let's take, for example, this axis and move it without respect to constraints over here, and okay. Go to the saved management, take a look. So this is new, this is new, and this is new. It's modified, this is opened, and save this one, okay, that's okay. Save this one, I didn't save this, save this one as, that's okay, yes, yes, and propagate the directory so that all these elements will go to one directory. All of them will be saved, that's okay. Go for OK, then the save goes on. Now make a constraint between this axis and one of the holes. Maybe I didn't catch it. So let's go for this axis right now. Oh, sorry. First you should activate, of course, the main product. Okay, right now, like this, make an update, and move it here and turn it like this, and OK. Then I want to hide all the axis systems. Search again. You should select first the query. Okay. Then I want to reuse the pattern again. So it's this subassembly, which should be reused. I don't want to keep the link with the pattern. It switches automatically to generated constraints, and I want to reuse this pattern again. Same options, reuse the original component and no new flexible component. Okay. They all got in. Nice. I need only 6 of these sub-assemblies, so I will maybe delete the first one, for example. Please take note, there is no assembly feature for this second reuse pattern. It's almost like you inserted them manually. So right now, delete this one. Okay. And I need another sub-assembly, which I already made before. That's the one with the main. Open it in a new window. Insert all the necessary components, which should be this, that, and that one. Okay. Give it a different color if you want. For example, this. Move them apart. Then show the axis system, edit, search, query, show. Then align them, this one and that one, and this one and that one as well. Make an update. Okay. Then this axis and that one, and this axis and that one. You might have to zoom closer. Make an update. Fit all in, and now just, where is it? There it is. Turn it around the axis, around this axis, or change the orientation of this one. Okay. Save it. Yes. Close this window. Okay. Whole lot of axis systems visible. So go for search, axis system, hide them. Much better. Now I need to take a look, I'm in the main assembly, that's okay. And I have to make between this axis and this axis a coincidence. Okay. And then again, I should turn this around. For example, I manipulate. Let's take this axis and move it like this, and move it along that axis right into here. And okay. This coincidence is from the deleted part, which I can delete as well. Then maybe hide this component. And if you want to keep on, now you have to make all these subassemblies flexible, because right now they're rigid. So mark them all. This one as well, and change it to flexible. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, now turn this one like this, and let's move them all a little bit apart, so it's more easier to make the constraints. Okay, just make an update. It went back, great. Really great stuff. So I have to do it again. Like this, then move it in a plane. That's a little bit awkward, but it happens. Okay, and now make the necessary constraints. So this axis should go to this axis, then this axis to that one, axis to this one, this axis to that one, this axis to this one, and that axis to that one. So maybe I could update them not all together at once, but one after the other, which might be better or not. Here, that seems okay. Maybe update this one. Yeah. Update that one. Yeah, update that one. Yes, update that one. Yeah, update that one. So, yeah, that's okay. Only the colon are in the wrong direction. This happens. So I have to turn them all around, maybe with a snap. just make, nah, come on, double click on the face you want to change the orientation. And hopefully with an update, yeah, better. So, but some are still not correct aligned. So let's show this one. Move it with respect to constraints in a plane or parallel to a plane. And okay, let's take a look. This one is correct. Yeah, I have to, maybe I take it around this axis. This one should be on that side. That's really, really annoying sometimes, because if you have some sort of luck, it all will jump to the right position at once. Now I have to really arrange them manually. Okay, let's do it. And it's really, really annoying. So that's this axis. This one should be on that side. Next axis would be this one. This should be on that side. Next axis is this one. This should be on this side. Then go for this axis, move it right over here, then go for that axis, move this one right here. Yes, okay. And let's make an update and see what happens. Yes, that's it. So all the columns are on the wrong side again, so do it with snap. Let's take a look. Yes, I think that's okay right now. Now move it with respect to constraints along this one. Yes. Okay. Then you could show these as well if you want. Okay. So, almost done. Almost. Maybe I first insert the following component. It's the Kurbel Valley. Where is it? Go there, here it is. So thus make sure automatic constraint creation is on. This axis is on that axis. Confirm it with click, and this face is on that face. Looks okay. Confirm it, and okay. And then there should be a coincidence between this axis and that axis. Yes. Now, if you make these a little bit more opaque, so like this, and maybe this as well. If you move around the axis, okay, you see all the pistons work. Yeah, that's okay. So there's only one thing missing, the connection between, there is a sort of Bolzen between these pleuels and the Hauptpleuel. These are missing, so maybe, yeah, okay, seems my mouse has some sort of problem. No, right now it's okay. So I want to go for this subassembly, open it in a new window, and I have to insert, come on, this connection. So I go for the Verbindungsbolzen. Yes. This axis should be aligned to, there should be some sort of, okay, and you could align this one in the middle, or you could, let's take a look. Yeah, so this one, and I think that one, okay, yeah, looks nice. And maybe I can reuse a pattern right here, maybe, depends how I did this holes. Let's take a look. Is there any pattern? No. No, sorry. Yeah, there is some sort of pattern. Maybe I go for generated constraints. Take a look. Yeah, looks good. And this one should be patterned. Yeah, looks good. And okay. Yes. Now go for access system. Select them all. Hide them. Okay. Save it. Close the window. And now my assembly is complete. Hide the tree. Yes. It's really slow today. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed my slight mistakes. Hope you enjoyed the corrections. See you next time. Bye.